Maybe burping or something. Just let her go through it.
She's not crying.
Yeah, she's not crying because she's tough.